Susan, it is my understanding that the executive breakfast is today. This is where the senior executives are supposed to put on aprons and serve pre-made pancakes and bacon to all the subordinate, lesser compensated employees. Could you explain to me again why we are doing this? I am very busy today.
Certainly, Dave. By donning an apron, which is a symbol of the common worker, you and the other senior executives are attempting to refute a common complaint from employees that you are out of touch and unwilling to engage as leaders in the organization to actually get work done. Using a spatula has the same effect, as that is a common tool used by people who cook their own food at home.
That does make sense. So what percentage of our employee base has used one of these spatula implements?
I believe all of them. Many on a regular basis.
This is brilliant. They will see me wearing this apron and holding this spatula and believe that I share something in common with them. This will make them more likely to obey my commands. But why do I actually have to distribute the food on their plates using the spatula?
This can help to refute the second most common complaint, which is that you do not care about those whom you lead, and that your position of leadership is just to serve yourself. By serving the pancakes and bacon, you are showing that, at least in this one very narrow aspect of work, for 20 minutes once a year, you are willing to serve someone other than yourself.
Fantastic. I can't see how they will be manipulated by the visual. But wait a minute, doesn't serving them food also symbolize that I am their one and only source of nourishment to sustain their lives, or they will starve to death?
Yes, you could also look at it that way.
I like it. Let's also schedule me and the management board to station ourselves in the bathrooms tomorrow to hand out toilet paper, thereby symbolizing to the employees that they also can't wipe their without us.